What's up, guys? Today I'm playing Build a Boat. I remember playing this game a long time ago. By long, I mean like 2 years. It isn't that long. Uh, yeah, I don't need a tutorial. I already learned this game. Uh, you place blocks and then a chair and then the motor. You need the captain. Why do I want to delete that? Okay, I don't even have. What? Oh yeah, I kind of have 5 gold. This the game is actually right for once. Open. I got that's nothing. Do you? Okay, I'm gonna buy this again. Imagine if I get more. Oh, that was the. What do you even get? What's it? There's a 25% chance of one piece of wood. That that is not. Oh wow, I have more wood. Huh? Like that's gonna help me in any way. Oh, I can build inside. I mean, yeah, you could always do that. I think. I don't know. I'll go here and then. Yeah, this is boring. I'll just build a 9 by 9 and I don't know what I'll do with the extra. Yes, I know. Oh, I know. I'll just place it in the middle and leave it there. And some. Oh, yeah, I'll place the motor there. Even though I can place the motor down. I don't know. Captain seat. Here. A window or a chair. Huh? What? No. A table? Why not? A window of protection? Why not? Okay. I think I'll save this build. How do you save the build again? Ah, yeah, here. No, I don't think I want to save this. It's so simple. Okay, now I can steer, and you can definitely not just so. Um, I'm getting bored. Is this even the right tool? I mean, yeah, the water's flowing me. I'm not touching anything. As you can see, the motor isn't moving. Oh, I see some rocks. Okay, I'm gonna speed run to them real quick and try to dodge them because I think they damage your blocks. I mean, yeah, if you run 900 miles into a rock. But also, is there any rocks behind? Oh, okay. There was a log. A log. There's bigger rocks. I doubt they do the same. I doubt they do more damage. I mean, this is only the first, the second or first. I took damage. Okay. So, guys, have you ever played this game before? Yeah, why am I expecting an answer? To be honest, I shouldn't be expecting. I mean, yeah, you can. There's no one to talk to though. Oh, it's the crystal. I remember seeing this place a lot and really liking it. Okay, I think I'm changing my mind. See, look, I didn't lose any blocks apart from these two front blocks. I mean, yeah, I'm a Wait, what is this? Get out of my way. No, come back. I can't just die here. Now, why do I even want to die anyway? Oh, yeah, yeah, I see a reason why I have to just commit death. Hey, I got to the middle. Ooh, look at the gold. I'm so rich. What is that even supposed to help me with? I'll buy money. Do I buy uncommon? Nah, they're just stronger materials. I think the uncommon. Yeah, I should have saved up money. Hey, look, I have way more blocks. I have enough money to buy 2. Yeah, this is a good thing. Now I have many random blocks that I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them. Okay, first of all, I have 2 chests and 2 of I don't know, a lot of blocks. Okay, first I'll build a simple, very simple. I guess I'll use this as a, sort of. Wait, I know what to do. Oh, I'm so smart. Yeah, I don't think that will kind. Nah. Delete it. I think I'll have a little bit of protection. Yeah. I am looking for the something. Wow, a flag. Is that gonna help me? Yeah, though it will make you look like a bully. No. Okay. I wonder what material this is. Oh. Wow. Oh, yeah, I remember this. You can anchor the block or unanchor it so it will fall or something. What is a merging level? Yeah, I don't know what this is. So this is a rusted, this is a metal, and this is plastic. But most importantly, I have glass. Isn't glass this? Wait, glass is the same strength as wood. I mean, yeah, kind. Okay, more protection for the front, I guess. Super duper protection. Protocol safety thing. Oh, what is he doing? Sayonara! Bye bye, beach. I shouldn't say that. Bye bye, stupid. That's what you get. But now I have to restart my build all over again. Sometimes I get really mad, but I don't really express it and accidentally say bad words. Fine. You want to speedrun, huh? Okay, well, I'm gonna anchor myself to a chair. How's that? Oh. I don't know. This looks garbage. I'll add a window of safety erection, and then also truss for safety, and then something to block all the hits, and also something to block all the hits. These will be used to block the hits. Big and okay, now I need to put the captain's chair really quickly before that guy comes back or he left the server. This is I'm gonna save this. The Titanic. Save. Now I can load the Titanic. Oh, look, how convenient. Now, wow. Yeah, I think I should have thunk that more. Hey, but look, at least we have something. What? How do I even steal? Yeah, that didn't go as planned, I guess, because everything goes wrong. Okay, so, why is it taking so long to get to the rocky area? Okay. My idea, I'm gonna dodge the rocks like Indiana Jones. He dodged a boulder, which is also a rock. So he dodged a rock. So I can officially say that. Is that it's supposed to be a butterfly? Butterflies are tinier than our hands, or they're the size of our hands. It's either that I saw really big hands and I never saw my hands are basically the size of a butterfly. Or bigger, or smaller, I don't know. I never saw I see butterflies, but I've never had one come to my literal, I don't know, hand. And I also don't like butterflies, so it's probably good. I mean, I like them. I just am afraid of animals. You cannot call me a scaredy cat because I cannot stay in the dark for more than what is this? Plinko? No wait, what? Pinball? Oh, what game is this? I lost my motor. What this? This is Elon Musk with the Tesla coils. Or I don't know who made the Tesla coils. The Tesla coils, I know. No, my hair! I don't wanna be bald. These ugly people. I can't steer. No, I made it to the medium. Ah, 48. Hey, I got one thing at least. 3. Okay, guys, I guess I end the video here. See you later.